Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the toughest challenges when fixing your car? Difficulty finding a reputable shop. You want a place you can trust, and at Arts, we've built a reputation for reliability and quality in our community. Let me tell you about Natalie, a local office manager who came to us last month. Her 2019 Ford Fusion had a dented rear fender from a parking lot scrape. Natalie was overwhelmed trying to find a shop with good reviews, having heard horror stories about poor work. She chose Arts based on our stellar reputation, and we didn't disappoint. Our team fixed her Fusion to perfection, and Natalie said, "Arts lived up to its name. My car looks amazing, and I trusted them completely." Here's why we're trusted. Our certified technicians, top-grade materials, and commitment to customer satisfaction have earned us a strong reputation in Pomona. From minor dents to collision repairs, we deliver results backed by a warranty. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're the reputable shop you've been searching for. Struggling to find a shop you can trust? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for repairs from a shop you can trust? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, Pomona's trusted choice.